Today we're making easy chicken tacos with veggies. You can prepare the chicken however you would like. What I did is I put these in the air fryer. So I started with a couple of chicken legs. I pat them dry, sprayed all over with some olive oil, and then I added about half a tablespoon of barbecue rub on top. You could do this with chicken breast as well. I popped these in the air fryer at 400 degrees and they took about 25 minutes or so to cook through. While the chicken for the tacos was air frying, I prepped the veggies. I had 1 cup of diced onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons salted butter to a pan on medium-high heat. When the butter melted, I added 1 diced red onion and 1/3 cup frozen corn. I dropped the heat on the burner to medium and sauteed these veggies for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I added 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. I stirred the veggie mixture for about 10 minutes on medium heat until it was time to add some tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste adds a lot of flavor, so you just mix that in for about a minute until it's fully integrated. Once all the veggies are flavored with the tomato paste, it's time to cut the heat and prepare the taco. Dice up your chicken into bite-sized chunks. I did use scissors here, but you could shred it with forks or however you want to get it together. This was really super tender. The chicken really roasts very nicely in the air fryer. I bought some raw tortillas, so I cooked up the taco shells on each side, and then I added a little bit of cheddar cheese, freshly grated, some of that veggie mixture, and then the air fried chicken on top. I let it cook on low for a couple minutes till the cheese melted, add some fresh chopped cilantro, fold these in half, and it was time for dinner. Serve these with whatever you'd like. I have a really yummy jalapeno ranch dressing on Sip Baiko that would be so tasty in these chicken tacos. If you like easy weeknight recipes, make sure to join my Foodie Fridays email list. I'll send you some great ideas. You can always print these recipes at sipbaiko.com. Delicious.